For years, the public understood artificial intelligence as a patient assistant. You type a prompt, and a chatbot retrieves an answer, sitting idle until you ask it another question. A passive tool waiting for a command. Across industries, the actual execution of tasks remained highly manual and fragmented. Doctors spent hours cross-referencing patient histories across disconnected databases. Factory engineers monitored and adjusted machinery dials by hand. Financial analysts compiled hundreds of isolated spreadsheets to make a single quarterly decision. By 2026, the technology crossed a threshold. Algorithms stopped waiting for human instruction and transitioned into active executors, capable of taking independent action without a trigger. Removing the human prompt from the equation accelerates the speed of global commerce to the millisecond. When a system moves from fetching data to executing tasks, the operational rules of the economy change. Curious, authoritative. We call this standard agentic AI. This autonomous system makes decisions and manages workflows in real time. We see these agents routing retail inventory across global supply chains, executing high-speed trades on raw feeds, and triggering emergency protocols when a patient's vitals drop. Handing over operational control to a machine creates massive exposure. When a system makes thousands of decisions a second, a single error scales just as fast. An algorithm's intelligence means nothing if the corporate infrastructure beneath it is too weak to support independent action. Autonomous action requires a very specific raw material: instant, frictionless access to massive, continuous streams of information. The harsh reality is that most modern enterprise networks are built on chaotic, isolated silos. Supply chain logs, financial records, and operational metrics sit in disconnected databases that cannot easily communicate. If an autonomous agent acts on fragmented or corrupted data, it will execute flawed decisions at a speed humans cannot catch, reordering millions of dollars in incorrect inventory or misrouting critical materials. To prevent this, organizations are tearing down legacy architecture to build clean, structured, and unified data platforms from the ground up. These unified pipelines feed the AI agent a single, accurate version of the truth, allowing it to process information in real time without encountering bottlenecks. Data infrastructure dictates the success or failure of an autonomous system. It is the physical limit of what AI can accomplish. Even with perfectly structured data, organizations face a second hurdle. High-stakes environments require absolute verification. An doctor cannot let an AI administer medication, and a government planner cannot let it reroute city traffic during a crisis without an ironclad method to verify exactly how the machine reached its conclusion. This requires digital governance, an architecture of strict rules and automated audits designed to restrict the AI's behavior. Engineers build this architecture using digital locks, transparent data layers, and real-time compliance dashboards that track every automated move. In the era of autonomous action, human trust cannot rely on faith. It must be a hard-coded, auditable engineering requirement built directly into the system. Solving the data and governance bottlenecks directly impacts the professionals relying on these systems. Instead of executing rote, manual workflows, the human worker elevates to the strategic monitor of vast AI networks. Professionals now spend their time auditing the AI's decisions, adjusting the governance guardrails, and guiding the broader strategy of the autonomous agents. The machine handles the execution. The human moves up the chain of command, ensuring the autonomy remains safe and aligned with their goals. The success of an autonomous AI system relies entirely on the humans building the underlying data pipelines and governing the agents safely. Scaling this technology safely demands a unified, cross-industry commitment to creating this digital infrastructure together. The waiting period is over. The technological leap has occurred, and the era of autonomous AI is an